Okay, so in the last session, we have created a virtual machine, and this is the machine we created, right? Uh, this machine is a blank machine. We haven't logged into this machine yet. So we will enroll this device to Intune. Okay, so suppose this is a new laptop, and that laptop needs to be enrolled into Intune. So how do we enroll into Intune? So we have to create Intune subscription today. Okay, let's create Intune subscription. So in order to create Intune subscription, you have to open a browser and type in Intune. Okay, let's go to google.com. Okay, in Google, you need to type in Intune space free space trial. Hmm. So we need to come to this Intune free trial. Now let's click on that one. Try Microsoft Intune for free. Yeah, that's the one. Now on this website, you have to go a little bit down, scroll down a little bit and choose this. Uh, let's go a little up. Ah, yeah, wait. Now here you have navigate to the Intune setup account page. Let's click on that one. Okay. Are you creating Intune account for the first time, Yusuf?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So let's type in your email address and go next. Click on setup account. Type in your details there. Next. Send verification code. Okay, here you have to type in your in the username box just your first name. So type in Yusuf. Okay, now domain. Domain you by default it is coming ACL 280. So is it available? Can you click on save? Yes, that is available. ACL. So you guys can choose anything of your choice. The domain. Let's keep a short domain name like ACL 250 or ACL 200 or ACL 211, something like that. 280 is not available because Yusuf has already chosen it. Now you need to choose a password, anything of your choice. Type in your password. And make sure you remember this password. Next. Now, Yusuf, stop sharing because it needs to, it
Okay.
needs credit card details. So stop sharing and then you can put your details. Yeah, put your details now.
Sure.
The first link was to go to Intune. I'm using my laptop here, so I've not been able to divide
Okay,
it.
so so you do one thing, you join the session from your mobile or iPad
Oh,
so that
okay.
you can watch on that device and do the same thing on your computer side by side.
Oh, okay. All right. Joining with my device.
Also, we are recording this session, so in case if you are left
Yes, if
behind,
you are left behind, you are.
then you can do it later on.
All right. But the first step is to go to Intune, right?
Uh-huh.
Is there a link for Intune.com or
Now you need to go to google.com first
yeah,
and type in Intune free trial.
Intune free trial. Yep.
Then you need to click on Intune setup account page.
Uh, I see try Microsoft Intune free trial for
Yeah,
free.
yeah.
Sign up for a Microsoft Intune free trial. Okay. Navigate to okay. Oh, you're currently signed up. Use a different account.
Okay, Yusuf, in case if you are done, you can reshare your screen.
I'm sorry, I'm trying. It didn't take it. Part number 4. Okay. Well, I can share that.
We need to verify your identity using credit or debit card. Your card is only used for verification purpose. Okay, so you have already done that. Let's click on
Yes.
save.
Just to save file.
Click on save again.
Just did. Do we
not
need to go
moving.
to the privacy statement for
No, no,
just
no.
in case? Okay.
Click on save again. It's not moving.
No, not yet.
Refresh the page.
Let
Okay.
me try from again.
Unshare your screen.
It's showing something like enter your payment data again or try different way to pay. We couldn't save the data you entered. It's not a
And it's stuck on the same.
Stuck on the same.
Yep. I have only tried twice, let's say, and one more time now.
Okay. Open a new tab and type in intune.microsoft.com.
Okay.
Okay. Open a new tab and type in admin.microsoft.com. Click on subscriptions. User. Still shows unlicensed.
Yes.
Okay. Click on Marketplace at the left-hand side. All products. Search Intune in the search box at the right hand side. No, at the below at the right hand side. Microsoft Intune Plan 1 free trial. Let's click on Microsoft Intune Plan 1.
This one?
Third one.
Also,
Details. Start free trial. We are checking to make sure we can offer start new friend to address. Okay, click on continue. Click on edit. Edit.
where is that?
Edit.
Not where you.
Enter your address details. Hmm. Enter your add your tax ID.
I don't think I've got a bad idea.
You don't have?
Let's
Hmm?
let me try. I can put something else.
Okay, if you don't have the tax ID, you can leave it as it is.
Okay.
Close it.
We've given the national insurance here, but it's not taking.
Okay. Now click on your products at the left hand side. Licenses. Go back to marketplace. All products. Search Intune. Choose that Microsoft Intune Plan 1. Start free trial. Try now. Wait, it's doing something. Continue. Okay, so we have finally we were able to take this license, Microsoft Intune Plan 1 trial. There are 25 licenses in this one, and one license is consumed. Okay, clear, guys?
Yes, clear.
So this is the license. Let me take control. Give me control, Yusuf. Okay, so this is the license we have. There are 25 license total, and one license is consumed. Now, who has consumed this license? Let me go to user at the left hand side and active user. You see, Yusuf has this license. Okay. So we have to go to three portals. Intune.microsoft.com, which is this one. This is intune.microsoft.com. Okay. This is Intune portal. Second portal is admin portal. This is your admin portal. And the third portal is Microsoft Entra portal. So we have to go to, can you click on the new tab again? Give me control. Entra.microsoft.com. Okay, so this is your third portal. Give me control, Yusuf. Did you give me control?
Yes, I did. Oh, that's. I'll get it some in one.
Yeah, can you give me control again?
You got it?
Yeah, yes. So there are three portals. Okay. So today what we have done today is 21st July topics. Yeah, create Intune subscription. Okay. Create Intune subscription that we have done. overview of below 3 portals. Which are the portal? First portal is Intune portal, and that is intune.microsoft.com. Why we go to this portal? To manage devices. Okay. Second portal is admin portal. Why we go to this portal? This is your admin.microsoft.com to manage license. Okay. And the third portal is intra portal. That is intra.microsoft.com. This is to manage user and groups. Okay, so there are 3 portals. Intune.microsoft.com to manage devices, admin.microsoft.com to manage licenses, and intra portal. So intra.microsoft.com to manage user and groups. Okay. So let me go to the Intune portal, the first portal. This is your Intune portal. Okay. This is your Intune portal. Now the second portal is, this one is your admin portal to manage licenses. You can use that to assign unassigned licenses. And the third portal is intra portal. So you, at the left hand side you have user, all user, and then groups. You have all groups here. We haven't created any group, so that you will see we don't have any group. But user, there is one user, Yusuf. Okay.
Sure. Okay.
Okay, so in order to enroll this device, right, we have to create some accounts. Let's create a few accounts. So point number 3 is create few users account. So how will you create accounts? You can create accounts in any portal. Either you create account in Intune portal, or intra portal, admin portal, or intra portal. You can create account in any of these 3 portals. So let's go to the admin portal. This is your admin portal. So at the left hand side you have user and active user. So there is only one user right now. Let's create couple of users. So click on add a user. Yusuf, add a user.
Yeah. Sorry.
Type in any username, anything of your choice. Yeah. Username Wajid. And you see the domain is there. Domain, this is the domain which is given by Microsoft. acl280.onmicrosoft.com. Do you have Do you have your personal domain? Have you created, I mean, have you purchased any domain, Yusuf?
Yes, previously, yes, with the Azure. Yes.
You have purchased from GoDaddy?
No, it was from Microsoft. When I was setting up Azure subscription couple of years back, then I did that one at that time.
Do you remember the domain name?
Uh, it was Arya Online, ARIYA online dot Microsoft.com dot on Microsoft.com.
Okay, so that's the previous domain. That was
That
also
was
given
previously
by
done.
Microsoft.
Yes, yeah,
Okay, so you have not purchased any domain. But in case if you purchase a domain,
yeah.
you can add your domain here. Instead of going with the free domain, the Microsoft domain, you can go with your custom domain here. Got it?
All right, guys. Okay.
Would you like to purchase a domain?
Mm, I don't
Let's
mind,
see
but
how much
obviously I've got
how
another
much
one, but
how much does it cost? Let's say. So we have to go to GoDaddy. So for example, Yusuf.com. Is that available? Yusuf.com is uh, not available. Okay. The Yusuf.co.uk. Yusuf N. Yusuf Pro. Okay. YusufN.com is available. And it will cost you 0.01 pound. Okay, let's
I was
try
just
this
wondering,
one.
can we check my previous one if it's allowed or not?
What was the previous one? No, not available. Arya.online. Can you check Arya.online? The Arya.co.uk is available. Then AryaLTD.com.
I'm gonna find out what was my previous one. Just starting of curiosity. I mean, I'm okay with anything, but Yusuf as well.
Wait.
Yeah.
Yusufi.com. Okay, let's try Yusufi.com. For
Okay.
example, if I
Yeah.
go to add to cart, the domain is not available. Okay. Uzak.com. Okay, let's try this. And continue. How much does it cost you? No thanks. For 1 year, right? Okay, so it's gonna cost you this 8.84 pound. Okay, so this
Yeah.
is how you can purchase domain. Okay, so you can click on I'm ready when you would like to purchase domain. Okay, it's not
Okay.
mandatory. Now,
Yeah.
let me go back to the. Okay, so here you just keep Wajid. Okay, and it says automatically create password. No, we will not automatically create password. And uncheck this box which says require this user to change. No. So let's enter a password of anything of your choice.
Yeah.
Okay, make sure you remember this password. Is
Right.
this
Yeah.
the same password
Yes.
or different? Okay, let's go next. Would you like to assign license to this user? Yes. So let's give Intune license to this user. Check the box Intune license. Next, finish. Finish. Close it. Let's create a couple of users. Same password. Give Intune license to this user. Close it. Create one more account. Enter password. Okay, so you have created 4 user account and you have given license to these users. Okay,
Right.
Intune license is assigned to each one of them. Now we have to take one more license, and that is uh, Microsoft Entra Entra license is needed. We have to take that license as well, so that the devices can auto enroll into Intune. You know, the moment user logs in, the devices will get auto enrolled into Intune. So let's go to the Intune portal and go to devices at the left hand side. And Windows.
I think we may need plan 2 to do
Yeah, right.
auto enroll. Yeah.
You see, here you don't have any devices right now because we haven't enrolled any of the devices. As soon as we start enrolling the devices, we will see the devices here. Let's go to enrollment at the left hand side. Automatic enrollment. Now this automatic enrollment is disabled. You know, you cannot enable that one until you take the license. Let's click on this. Automatic MDM enrollment is available only for Microsoft Entra ID premium subscribers. So let's click on that. You see, you have to take either the first one, Microsoft Entra Suite, or Microsoft Entra ID Governance, or the last one, Microsoft Entra ID P2. Okay, so let's take the third one, the last one, free trial one. Free trial. Activate. Continue. Try now. Let's wait for, yeah, continue. Let's go to billing at the left hand side. Your products. You see, we have another license, Microsoft Entra P2 trial. How many licenses you got? 100.
Okay.
There are 100 licenses we got
Yes.
for Microsoft Entra. Okay.
Right.
Now we have to assign this license to the users whose devices needs to get enrolled automatically. So let's assign this license as well to the user. Let's go to users at the left hand side. Active user. Now check all the boxes. Okay, so we will assign the license Microsoft Entra to all the users. Let's click on manage product licenses and choose assign more and choose the first one, Microsoft Entra P2, and click on save changes. Close. Done. You see they have both the licenses. Clear?
Yeah.
So the users have Intune license plus Microsoft Entra ID P2 license. Now let's go to the Intune portal and refresh this page. You will be able to see a different page now. Okay. So what all devices you would like to enroll? Either some of the devices or all the devices. Currently none is selected. That means no devices will get enrolled into Intune. Okay. So either you have to enroll some of the devices or all the devices. Okay.
Okay. Yes.
Suppose if you have like 500 devices and you would like to enroll them all. So let's click on all. And choose below all the mobile application management and click on save. So basically we have created a condition that all our devices will get enrolled into Intune automatically. Clear?
Kachi sir, my question is that what do you mean by automatic enrollment? I mean, if I join any Windows device to Azure, it is an automatic enroll in Intune.
If you log into any device, automatic the device will get enrolled into Intune. Okay.
Okay.
Ashif, so what's the second option, the one that you choose all as well, the whip?
WIP is mobile application management. You can manage mobile applications as well.
Oh,
Okay.
so this one's for the Android and iOS things like that. The second
Yes,
one.
yes, yes.
But it says Windows Information Protection though.
Windows in instrumentation, information protection, you can manage applications. You can protect the application data. How the
Okay.
application data will be utilized on Windows devices, plus on Android and iPhone as well. Okay.
Yeah.
Let's go to devices at the left hand side. You see, we haven't enrolled any devices. That's the reason. Windows 0 devices, iOS, iPad is 0 devices, Mac OS 0 devices, Android 0 and Linux 0.
So the setup that we are going to try now is going to be online one, right? So it's not going to be a hybrid or
No.
cloud based only, right?
Yeah. Okay, we are going to enroll our first device. Okay. We will enroll our first device. So let's log into that device with any of that account. Log into the device.
But you forgot the email address.
Hmm?
The email address. I forgot.
Email address. Let's go to user at the left hand side. Okay. Yeah. So take any of these user account because license is already assigned to them. You cannot paste it here.
Okay. It's very different here. Okay.
You need to manually type in the email address.
Yep.
Yes.
Should I do it again?
Yeah. Next. Password.
Item has nothing to do with the platform.
No. Let's go next. Password.
The password is password.
You haven't typed in the correct password.
I'm pretty sure it's okay. And that's what kept the same as well.
You
We'll
don't
reset
remember
it
the
now.
password.
Sorry.
Go back. Try with other account.
Yep.
Instead of Yusuf, try with Wajid or any other account. It's just Wajid, not N.
Yeah. Excuse me, Kaushik.
Yes, so it's
Um,
still
Yeah, it's going to take, I think, a few minutes. And you've got the control as well. So I'm just coming back in a couple of minutes.
Mhm.
Okay.
click on OK.
No, he's not there. He has given the control to you. Kashif, in this setup, we would be able to cover the co-managed functionality as well. Hello.
Yes, click
No,
OK.
no, Yusuf is not here, so he has given the control to you, so you can take the control and you can access
No,
his machine.
he will have to download my Microsoft Authenticator on his mobile.
Okay. So what my doubt is, so would you be able to cover the co-managed as well? So because SCCM is needed for that, so integration part
Later. Okay.
later.
Yeah.
So co-managed will come under cloud or hybrid system.
Co-manage is like hybrid. A device will be managed by SCCM and Intune side by side together. Got it?
So yeah, I got it. But would you be covering that as well
Not
in this?
practically, but theoretically, yes.
Mhm. Okay.
Should we proceed?
Yes, click on OK.
Yusuf, you may proceed to click on next.
Next.
You have to download Authenticator app and then you have to set up the MFA.
Do you have Authenticator app on your mobile?
Yes, on my one, yes. Yeah.
Open that one, Authenticator on your mobile, and click on the plus sign.
What's this account?
Click OK. Close it. Yes. Okay, this is the first time you have logged into this device. This is a Windows 10 machine, Windows 10 Pro. Click on Start. Setting. Accounts. Let's go to the intra portal. You see Intune device. The device is automatically showing in Intune portal. This is how people will enroll their devices in Intune automatically. The moment they will sign in, their device will get enrolled into Intune. You guys understood the concept?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So device is now showing up. Let's go to the intra portal. You will be able to see the device in intra portal as well. At the left hand side, click on devices.
Click on all devices.
You see the device name and enabled version Windows, right? And owner Wajid and MDM. MDM is the main thing. Mobile device management is Microsoft Intune. Intune is managing that device. Now let's click on the device on Intune portal. Not here, on Intune portal. Now see what all things you can do to this device from Intune portal. You can retire this device on the top. Retire means unenroll the device. Retire means unenroll the device. Suppose the user is now leaving the firm and you would like to unenroll the device, you can use retire. Then you have wipe. Wipe means factory reset the device. Got it? Then delete. The device will get deleted from Intune database. Then you have sync. Suppose you sent some policy and you would like to synchronize the policy as quickly as possible on the device, you can sync. Okay.
What is the difference between the retire and delete?
Retire means unenroll the device. Delete means you can delete the device entry from here, from Intune database. Okay.
And device will still enroll in Intune if I delete.
Yes, device will still be enrolled to Intune.
Okay.
Then you have sync. You can synchronize the policy on the device. You can restart. Click on, you have restart. So when you choose restart, the device will get restarted. Collect diagnostic log file from the device. You can collect. Let's collect the diagnostic log file. Click on collect diagnostic. Choose yes. The diagnostic log file will be collected from the devices. Okay.
I have one question. So enrollment is something similar to domain join.
No. Domain join is the joined one, but enrollment means you have complete control of the device. You can send policies, you can send applications, you can send updates, you can send configurations. You will have complete control of the devices. Okay.
So only you will be able to see it, see the entry here. So beside that, you have to do the normal thing, that is domain joining and all. You will have to do it after this, right?
No, domain join is done.
Domain joining is done.
Is done. If you go, if you would like to see whether it is domain join or not, you go to Entra portal. Let's go to the Entra portal. Microsoft Entra portal. Here, let's click on the device at the left hand side. Devices, all devices. Devices, all devices. You see the join type. You see the join type.
Okay.
Microsoft Entra joined. That means it's a domain join computer. Got it?
Okay.
Now let's go to Intune portal. Now let's go to devices and all devices here. You see the device is corporate device. You have to also make sure whether the device is personal or corporate. So this is not a personal device, this is a corporate device. So corporate device, you will have more control on corporate devices and you will have less control on personal devices. Clear?
Yep.
Then how can we convert in personal ownership?
I will show
Personal.
you how to. This is a corporate device because first time you did not log in with your personal account.
Okay, okay, okay.
You logged in with the corporate account. So that's the reason the device is considered to be a corporate device. Okay.
Okay, okay. One more thing. If in our production, if I delete this device from Intune, then user will not able to log in
No
automatically.
user will be able to log in. Okay.
Okay. Sorry for sir. But in our production, if I delete this any device from the Intune portal, then user raise a ticket for I'm not able to log in my device from my account, and we have
Okay.
yes, and we re-enroll in Intune via SID, uploading the SID.
Yeah, basically, if you delete, okay, if you retire, I understand it deletes the company data, but if I delete the device from here, what experience the end user will have?
If you delete the device, it will the device
From
will
Intune, yeah, from
from
Intune,
Intune.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Device
What
will
experience they will
be
have?
device will still be enrolled, but device will no more contact to Intune portal anymore.
And it's still in an Active Directory, Azure Active Directory, the intro
Yes.
ID.
Yes.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, let's rename this device because the device name is pretty you know, little weird. The desktop hyphen CF 57. So let's click on that device. And at the left hand side, you have properties. Let's click on the properties. So here you have option to rename the device. Let's click on rename. And type in the new name of the device. So what name would you like to keep for this device? A WIN VM001.
So this is basically a host name of the machine. Or
Do we need to restart the machine as well?
no. I think Kashif left. I guess got disconnected. Let's wait for some time.
Karthik, what's your background? I forgot. You introduced yourself, I forgot. Karthik?
Currently, I'm managing the team. My
Okay.
work is related to IAM and 365.
Okay. When were you working?
HCL.
Okay.
So any of you having a hybrid environment, or all of you are cloud hosted?
Not hybrid, only we are managing devices only from Intune.
That's what. So you use co-managed devices or not?
Yes,
And
I
that's
was working.
that comes under hybrid, right?
Yes, hybrid, right. In previous organization, I was doing this. Uh, we were handling a co-managed device.
Kashif is back. Yeah.
Sorry, guys. Okay, so let's click on that device and then choose properties.
So Kashif is basically we are renaming the host name, right?
Host name, yes. And click on rename. Type in WIN VM001, capital letter. And click on yes. Restart after rename. And click on rename. So the device will get renamed. Click on rename. Yeah. The device will get renamed. The host name of the device will get a different name now. WIN VM001. Clear, everyone?
Clear.
Yeah.
Now, in case if this device is a personal device, give me control, please. In case if it's a personal device, then you can change the device ownership from corporate to personal. You have that option. Okay. Now, in case if you would like to define the category of this device belongs to IT or HR or finance, you can categorize the device from here. Okay.
Okay.
Now, hardware. You have various options here. So this device is Windows 10, right? This device version is this, language English Pro. Then storage, total storage is 79.34 gigabyte. Free space on that device is 60 gigabyte, right? then Ethernet MAC address, enroll date, last contact, whether it is compliant or non-compliant. So it gives you those hardware details of the device. Then discovered apps. What all applications are installed on your computer. It is gonna give you the information of all installed application here in this list. Right now, the data is not collected yet. That's the reason you don't know what all applications are installed. But after a couple of hours, you will be able to see what all applications are installed on that device. Clear?
Yeah.
Then we have device compliance. It is going to show you whether the device is compliant or non-compliant. Since we haven't deployed any compliance policies, that's the reason it is blank. Then we have device configuration. In case if you have to deploy some configuration profile, then you will be able to see the configuration profile here. Okay.
Okay.
Actually, one more thing in that one. When we're enrolling the device, usually Intune assign the names by itself, right? Because we had the Win VM001, but I didn't take that one. And Intune assigned its own name as a host name.
No,
When it
no,
was registered.
Intune did not assign any name. It was the computer name. That's the default name of the computer. Okay. Intune did not assign the name. It was the default name when you built that machine yesterday. Yesterday, this machine name was automatically assigned. This is the machine
Okay.
name.
Okay.
You have to restart the machine. You have restarted the machine.
Automatically, this machine will get restarted in 2 minutes. And
Yeah.
then this machine name will be different.
Yeah.
WIN. Yeah, you see in 2 minutes, the machine will get restarted. The machine name will be
Yeah.
different.
So is it
WIN
default
VM001.
duration to restart a machine, or how it happens?
Yeah, it's a default duration. Within 5 minutes, the machine will get restarted. So 3 minutes is crossed. Now 2 minutes is remaining. Okay.
Yeah. So my how the other part of the question when I was asking, if you're not gonna restart or renaming all those devices, let's say we are building 10 devices. So how the naming convention is gonna work out? Why
So
Intune?
okay, so that comes in Windows Autopilot. Suppose you are building, you are um, deploying a Windows Autopilot configuration on the device, then you can rename the device during the Autopilot configuration itself. So it will have the
Okay.
name according to your requirement.
Okay.
Okay.
Do we need to create the policy for that, or is it just a
Yes.
configuration?
Configuration we will create.
Okay. So, sorry, another one. Can can the Intune pick up the serial number as a host name, like
Yes.
ABCD dash serial number?
Yes. It is
Okay.
possible. That I will show you how that is done.
Okay.
So let me go to the Windows device and then I'll click on this desktop. You see it says restart complete. That means that policy successfully deployed on that device. Rename complete. That policy successfully deployed on that device. Now collect diagnostic log file. So where you will see the diagnostic log file, you will see the diagnostic log file here, device diagnostics. And you see it is complete.
Right.
Download. This is the device diagnostic log file. Okay.
Mm.
So there are many log files, including registry, event viewer, and the result. So it contains these diagnostic log files.
Right. So again, I've got another question. It picks up automatically desktop. Or was it a part of the name? I'm just wondering, I think we need to tag them as well. What about if it was the laptop?
So it will be laptop hyphen something. No,
I mean,
since
like,
it's a virtual machine, right? The
yeah.
virtual machine we created, so it will be always desktop hyphen something. Okay.
Okay.
You see the machine got restarted. Let's
Yeah.
log in again. With the pin, 6-digit pin. Can you log in?
It's hard to remember all the password and things.
Make a note of it.
Yeah.
Now let's verify the name of this device. You see, the name is different now. WINVM001. Clear?
Yes.
Now, when you create your Intune subscription, yes, today you created your Intune subscription. So where it is created? So you can click on tenant administration. You see, it is created in Europe 0202. That's the data center code. Europe
Okay.
0202. Okay, your Intune subscription is created in that data center. How much licenses you have? Total 25 license of Intune. One license is consumed. No, one device is
Enrolled.
enrolled, and total 5 licenses consumed. And service release, this is 24 means 2024, 06 means June. Got it?
Right.
So next month it will be
06.
2407. Every month Microsoft is adding more and more features in Intune. Every month they are updating it.
So this trial license will have 24 or 25 license, right?
Yes, 25 license total.
Okay.
Now, how many licenses, how many devices you can enroll? So let's go to Windows, and then we will go to enrollment, and we have this device platform restriction. So right now we haven't created any restriction, but you can create restriction. Let me click on all user and properties. You see, allow, everything is allowed. Okay. You can also enroll personal devices. Let me click on edit. So suppose if you don't want to enroll personal devices, you can block. The personal devices will not get enrolled. Clear? Suppose the minimum operating system should be 10.1 something. So in case if anybody is trying to enroll which is less than this version, then those devices will not get enrolled. Got it?
Yeah, got it. But when you say that it's a personal device, but this is the Windows one, all the Windows one, Windows NPM.
Hmm.
But you said that it's if you don't want the personal devices.
Suppose you have your right now this device was corporate device,
Yes, that's
right?
right. Yeah. Yep.
Now suppose you are already logged into this device with your personal account and you would
Right.
like to enroll that device, it will not
Yes.
enroll if you block personally owned device option.
Okay, I got it. If you go back to that portal, please.
Hmm.
Yeah. When you're gonna block this one, does it not gonna restrict all the Windows devices?
Which one? Here,
Oh, okay, that's the column. Sorry, personal owned. Okay, sorry.
personally owned.
Yeah, the platform wise is okay, but the personal owned.
Platform, yeah,
Okay.
platform, if you block this one, then all the Windows devices will get
Yes.
blocked.
No, makes sense. Yeah, just like
Okay. Now let me go cancel. Click on OK.
yeah. That's the optimal. Oh, you let me move it.
Okay, so let me go back to enrollment restriction in Windows enrollment. Now we have device limit restriction. How many devices a user can enroll? One user can enroll 5 devices right now. So let me click on device
That's by
limit
default.
restriction. That's the default option. You see how many devices user can enroll? Devices, 5 devices. That means user can enroll his Windows computer. That user, the same user can enroll his Android device, iPad, iOS, MacBook. But if he is trying to enroll the 6th device, then he will not be able to do that.
But that policy is gonna implement for the whole organization, or it can be a particular user.
Let me click on edit. So currently this is for the all organization. You see, you can
Right.
increase that to 15. So
Right.
one user can enroll 15 devices maximum. And the lowest one is 1. That means one user can enroll only one device.
Right.
User does not need multiple license. One license is sufficient to enroll 15 devices.
Okay.
Okay?
Good. That's good.
So I have a doubt here. So you said BYOD can be either registered as well as it can be enrolled, right?
Yes. We can
So
enroll BYOD devices as well.
okay, so in case I have my own laptop and I'm going to log in at my personal account, in that case the conditional policy is gonna block me out.
Yeah, if you block here.
So in the same home, I'm a personal laptop. If I'm going to use a company domain ID to log in, so it will allow the access.
It will allow.
So if it is, how do we make that to be a registered one?
Registered?
Assume that you have a mobile
Mm,
and your own mobile, and you have configured Outlook in it, right?
mhm,
Company Outlook.
mhm.
In that case, it will work as a registered one, right?
Registered device, yes.
So if I am going to sign out of my Google account, if I am going to use the Office account, then it is gonna use as a company supplied mobile.
If it's a company device, Mobile
So
device
how-
will always be registered, whether it's a company owned device or whether it is a personal device. Okay,
So
but
how
in
it
case of
for
Windows, Windows can be registered or intra joined. Personal devices will be registered and corporate devices will be intra joined
my
and
doubt is
hybrid.
how to enroll our
Personal device,
personal device, yeah, personal laptop.
personal laptop. Okay, let's see how to enroll our personal laptop. So suppose now let's this is your corporate device right now. Okay,
Currently we logged in as a ACL 20 ACL.
yes. Now, so in what we will do, let's unenroll this device. Okay,
Okay.
let's unenroll this device. How will you unenroll the device? You need to come to the devices and then you need to go to the Windows and then you need to click on this WINVM001. This is the device which we need to unenroll. Suppose user left the organization. So we are going to retire this device. So I'm going to click on yes. So the moment you retire this device, what will happen? At the right hand side bottom, you will get a pop-up that the removal initiated or something like that. So let's wait for a few seconds. You will get the pop-up. Okay, and then the device will get unenrolled. There you go. ACL has removed your workplace account and deleted all the information. Got it?
Got it, but still this enter ID will show this device or it will
Yeah,
not be
wait,
there in the enter ID as well.
wait. So this device is now unenrolled. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So it will go away from Intune portal after few minutes. That device will go away from Intune portal. So when you come to this devices here and all devices,
I
I
think
mean
it will be there.
Windows. So this device will go away from here after few minutes. You see it is
It's not there.
device not found. Okay, that means it's already deleted and
When I
that
go
will
to
go
enter,
away from here. But the device will still be there in Microsoft Entra ID. So let's go to the Entra ID portal and refresh this portal. No, it's gone from here as well. Sorry. So when you unenroll the device will go from here as
enter
well.
as well.
Microsoft Entra ID. It's deleted from Microsoft Entra ID and it deleted from Intune portal as well. Let's refresh. Let me refresh from here. So within few minutes it will go away. Okay.
Ashok, is it getting recorded? Or you just
Yeah.
dropped off in the middle?
No, it's still recording. Yeah, it's still recording.
Okay. Now let's go back to this device and we will log into this device as our personal account. Okay, not the corporate account. Let me power off this machine. Okay, so now I powered off this machine. I'll go back to the blank machine snapshot. Let me go back to the blank machine snapshot. And start. Okay, so suppose if it's a uh,
It's personal.
personal computer, right? So let me go back and I will choose this setup for personal use. Last time we had chosen for setup
Yeah,
for
organization.
organizational. Now I'm gonna choose setup for personal use and click on next. Okay, so let's add your account. Email, phone number, I'm gonna choose offline account. Sign in to enjoy full range of Microsoft app and services, limited experience. Okay, so who is going to use this machine? For example, Yusuf. Okay, and click on okay. Next. Password, I'm not going to give any password. Let's keep it blank. Next.
So will it allow to enroll any machine which doesn't have password?
Importing from your other browser, not needed, not now. Next. Let Microsoft location and accept. Find my device, no. Accept. Send required option. Improve inking. So now we are logging in with
Personal account.
personal account. Let me see if this device is gone from Intune portal or not. Gone.
Yeah.
Device is deleted from Intune portal and device is gone from Microsoft Entra ID portal as well. Okay. Okay, so now this is a personal computer, BYOD kind of device, and we would like to enroll this device to Intune, right?
Yes.
So I'll click on Start, Setting.
So machines without password, will it allow to enroll or any conditions?
Can you give me, I mean, share your screen? I think it's stopped sharing. Machine without password, we can enroll because we haven't created any policy yet.
Okay.
Got it?
Okay.
Give me control, please.
Kashyap, I have an issue to join the BC to the Intune. So when you are ready later on, please let me to share my screen.
Okay. I'll go to accounts and then access work or school account. Got it? And
Okay.
then we will click on connect. So you need to type in the email address of that user, Wajid.
They do mine here.
No, Wajid. Type in the email address of Wajid.
The personal address, right?
Wajid at
On Microsoft account.
on Microsoft account.
.com.
That's right.
Sign in.
So this is basically registering, right? It's not
Your
enrolling.
account was not set up on this device because device management could not be enabled. This device might not be able to access
It's the
Wi-Fi,
issue.
VPN, audio.
It's the issue that I have. The same one.
Okay, click on done. Click on connect again. Try with Yusuf account.
Wondering, have the password issue from here.
You don't remember the password of this account?
No, it was the same one, but the last time we had find it in the review.
Okay, next.
As long as the password is okay.
Okay, your account was not set up on this device because device management could not be enabled. This might access. Okay, click on done. Let's close this. We'll go to Microsoft Store. So let's try one more thing. Setting. Account. Sorry. Let me see whether this works or not. Join this device to Microsoft Entra ID as a corporate device. Can you type in the email address here?
Yes.
Okay, join option is available. Let me cancel this.
So that would be considered as enrollment.
Joined,
Uh,
joined. Yeah, it will enroll and
Command
it will
join, right?
be corporate
Command join.
device.
Okay.
Yes,
But we are trying to register, right?
register. Let me download one application called Company Portal
Oh.
from Microsoft Store. Company Portal.
So is this something considered as a software center for Intune?
No, it's a default. This company portal, yes. Company portal is like software center in SCCM.
Okay.
Type in the email address. Okay, wait. Now here, what does it say? It says allow my organization to manage this device.
Okay.
Suppose if you don't want your device to be managed, okay?
Mm.
That means you don't want your device to be enrolled into Intune. Then you can simply uncheck this box. Okay? Clear?
By making a check mark, it is called as enrolled. So unchecking it like a registering.
It will do the registration, but it will not go to Intune portal.
Device will
Got it?
not be managed by through Intune,
Yes.
right?
Yes. So let me click on OK. And we will, okay, your account was not set up on this device because device management could not be enabled. This might, there is some problem with this enrollment option.
Kashif, I think it's something to do with the Intune authority.
Hmm?
I think it's something to do with the Intune authority.
1 minute. Let me go refresh. Intune authority. MDM
Yeah.
authority is already Microsoft Intune. Window devices, Windows, enrollment, device enrollment, platform restriction.
All users, yeah. It's okay.
We are supposed to uncheck allow my organization to manage my device. That's what given in the Microsoft form. I think we have the check mark there.
MDM allow. Okay, let's try that one. Can you try again? Email address. Okay, I will try at my end to see what
Okay.
is the problem. Okay, and we'll check. Okay, so this is the process how to register the device to Intune portal. Got it?
Okay. Okay, yes.
Any question before we wrap it up, guys? Hmm?
Okay, I'll just need to do the practice. That's it.
Okay, let me stop the recording. Now, who is facing the problem?